To become a certified B Corp, it's not easy. It is a challenge and it is a commitment, but it's also an opportunity to wake up every day and know that we've consciously made the decision to hold ourselves and our farms and our business and our team members to a higher standard. It's really about committing to using your business as a platform to make the world a better place. Every single day, you have to try to get better. Some days that improvement feels slow, but every day that we get better is a day that we have set our family, our family of coworkers, our business, our community, and the future of this planet up for success. Continuous improvement to me is not a business objective, it's a way of life. So when we talk about on our website or just in general conversation about farming for a better world, what we mean by that is trying to adopt new and innovative ways to enhance soil health, finding ways to reduce and lower our emissions, finding ways to improve the genetic potential of our cow herd, finding ways to enhance the quality of life of everybody we go to work with every day. Farming for a better world is really about farming for a cause beyond just yourself. It's farming for the next generation, farming for your neighbor. It's ultimately just trying to improve more than just yourself, but improve everyone and everything that we have the opportunity to connect with.